Folks looking to pivot their careers to accessibility often wonder how to demonstrate skills and experiences during the application and interview process, especially if they haven't worked in the field before. Here are some tips from people who have made the switch. Consider experiences outside of your core role, which can help build your CV and provide content for discussions during your interview. This can be done through volunteering at nonprofits, passion projects, or stretches of your core role related to accessibility. You can leverage professional social media, such as LinkedIn, to develop a professional brand focused on accessibility. This can attract the attention of recruiters and hiring managers. When I was looking to switch, my approach to building my brand was sharing content. When building your CV, you want to focus on transferable skills, especially those that have met the requirements of the job. List your experiences in the form of competencies. My formula for doing that is competency plus what you have done plus what was the outcome or value. Let's explore this formula with an example. Tony is a recruiter. His competency is talent acquisition. He has developed and executed end-to-end strategies to attract talent for quantum engineers in Southeast Asia. And the outcome was meeting 100% of his hiring goals, improving applicant and hiring manager experiences from 76% to 90% satisfaction, and increasing diversity from 10% to 30%. In preparing for interviews and structuring your responses, a good framework to use is the STAR methodology. It stands for situation, task, action, and results. When framing a past work situation, ask yourself, what was the general context? What were the main challenges? Then, emphasize and highlight your tasks and responsibilities for that situation. When communicating your work actions, identify the steps you took and the challenges you encountered. Lastly, discuss the results and outcomes. My last tip is to practice and prepare for the interview. Preparation can help you craft responses to potential questions about your experiences, as well as relieve any interview jitters. Continue exploring this series to learn more about how to make a career in accessibility. Thanks for watching.